So first thing first, let's import our dataset. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. Okay. So let's click on load. So our dataset is loaded as you can see on the right side. Okay. So let's build our first part. So clicking on average. So that's average closing price. Average closing price. Okay. Now let's going to visual switching off it, making it Arial black, making it 30. Okay. 25 and now let's change the background. Okay. Change it. Visual border on. Okay. Keeping it 20x. Okay. Let's just copy it. Okay. Now let's build our second card, which is going to be volume, trading volume. Let's have it, some of it. Okay. It's already there. Going to general, trading volume, aligning it in center. Now over here, let's have uh, maximum, highest closing price, highest. Okay. It's all done, I guess. So let's build our first visualization, which is going to be line chart. In the line chart, in the x-axis, I'm going to have date by year only, and I can have close by average in the y-axis. Okay. Now let's change it. Visual border on, shadow on, making it white. 20x, making it white. Okay. In the lines, in the color, I can have white. No. Okay. Let's have it red. Okay, and in the x-axis, values of title of keeping it clean in below lean x-axis has been y-axis. Okay, now change the title to cost price print, making it Arial black, keeping it in center. Okay, perfect. Now let's have another visualization, which is going to be column chart, clustered one. Okay, for this, I'm gonna have volume by sum, and let's change the color to red. The title, trading volume. Okay. Now let's have another visualization, which is going to be area chart. And here date is already there as in the previous two visualizations. In the y-axis, I'm gonna have two things. I'm gonna show high as well as low, and the aggregate of average of it, not sum. Okay, now going to let's change the color, make it red. Okay, now let's have our final visualization. Okay, which is line and stacked column chart. X-axis we got date. In the y-axis we can have volume. Okay, in the line y-axis we can have average. Okay, okay, let's have a lighter. Okay, so okay, can we have it white? How does it gonna look? Oh, okay, so now let's add slicer. Remove it. Okay, in the slicer I'm gonna have date, of course, and let's do it by. Okay, let's remove it first. Let's have it by date. Let's have it by hierarchy. Okay, and switch off the slicer header. Let's make it drop down. Perfect. Now we are done for the most part. Let's add a few PNGs to give a more aesthetic appeal to this dashboard. So this is our final dashboard. So that's it for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.